Hey everyone! Did you know a simple mistake when starting your car could be draining your battery and even damaging your engine? Many drivers don't realize that turning on the car while electrical accessories like the headlights, air conditioning and radio are still running puts extra strain on the battery. When you start your engine, the battery needs full power to turn over the motor. But if other electronics are already using energy, the battery has to work much harder. Over time, this weakens it, causing it to drain faster and leading to more frequent jump starts or even a dead battery when you least expect it. And that's not the only problem. Your alternator, which is responsible for recharging the battery once the car is running, also has to work overtime to make up for the extra power loss. This can shorten its lifespan and lead to costly repairs. Even the starter motor can wear out more quickly when it has to work against additional electrical loads. In extreme cases, this can even affect your ignition system and cause rough starts or delayed engine response. Luckily, avoiding this mistake is simple. Before turning off your car, always switch off your headlights, air conditioning and radio so they don't automatically turn on the next time you start your vehicle. When you're ready to drive, insert the key or press the start button and wait a second for the dashboard lights to settle before starting the engine. Once the car is running, you can turn on your electronics without putting unnecessary strain on the battery. By making this small change, you can extend your battery life, reduce wear on important engine components and avoid expensive repairs. It's a simple habit that can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. So the next time you start your car, remember to give your battery a break. It'll thank you later.